For 7b, we have an equation for an ellipse. Let me write that down for you here. And what I need to do is complete the square on both the x terms and the y terms. So I'm going to move all the x's together, leave a space. Actually, before I leave the space, I'm going to go like this. Now I'm going to factor out the leading term. Now I'll leave my space. Okay, once that's done, I can take the middle terms. I'll do these each separately. I'll take 2 and divide it by 2 and square it, which is 1, square, which is 1. So I'm going to add 1 right here, but I didn't really add 1. I added 4 times 1. So I'm going to have to add 4 on the other side. Likewise, let's get this value right here. That's going to be negative 2 divided by 2 squared, which is negative 1 squared, which is 1. So I'll put a little 1 here, but I really put a 3 there. So we'll add 3. So this guy on the left side is going to be 4 times x plus 1 squared. This is going to be 3 times y minus 1 squared. And I'm just going to have 12. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12 on the right side. Now I want to get this equal to just 1. So this is going to be y minus 1 squared over 4, because I'm going to divide this guy by 12. And so I'm dividing everything by 12, right? This is going to be x plus 1 squared over 3. Now that we've got in that form, we can verify where the vertex, the focal points, and the center are. So again, the center is at negative 1, positive 1. So we'll draw that out. Now the vertices are a length out of the square root of the larger of the two numbers, so the a value. So a is going to be equal to 2 because it's the square root of this number. Now since it's underneath the y, we're looking at a major axis that is vertical. And so we'll go up 2 and down 2, so 1, 2. This doesn't look evenly spaced, so I'm just going to do that again here. Okay, so those are my two vertices, so I can label those points. So they both have an x value of negative 1, but this vertice right here is up 1, 2, 3, and the other vertice is down negative 1. Okay. Now the focal points. Okay. Well, actually, let me grab. If I go square root of 3 left to right, that'll be kind of the outside edges of this. So square root of 3 is just a little bit more than 1. A little bit less than 2, so put it right about here. And right about here. We're just kind of getting an estimate from where this guy falls. Okay, close enough. Now the focal points are going to be, so my formula is going to be a squared minus b squared is equal to c squared. So a squared is 4, b squared is 3, so 1 is equal to c squared, so c is equal to 1, which means that my focal points fall on nice values here. They both have x values of -1, but the y values are 2 for this top guy and 0 for that bottom guy.